The ternary conditional operator is a compact way of expressing a simple if-else condition. It consists of three parts: a condition to evaluate, an expression to return if the condition is true, and an expression to return if the condition is false. The condition is evaluated first. If it evaluates to true, the operator returns the value or expression following the question mark. If it evaluates to false, it returns the value or expression following the colon. The ternary operator is particularly useful for assigning values based on a condition, making your code shorter and more concise. However, for more complex conditions or when multiple statements are involved, using a traditional if-else statement may improve readability.